We offer restorative classes at Island Power Yoga, and this is such a wonderful complement to all the things. In a restorative class, you are looking to have so much support from the props, meaning the blankets, the bolsters, and the blocks that we provide, or anything else that you want to bring in. You're going to come into asanas, postures, and we're going to support your body with these props in order for your body to fully relax so that you're not necessarily supporting your body in the postures, but these props are. This is going to allow your body to come into a beautiful state of relaxation and really signal to come out of a fight or flight syndrome. The holds are going to be longer. They're going to be somewhere between 5 and sometimes 20 minutes in a posture. So way less movement than in our Vinyasa, even against our Yin classes, a lot less movement. These classes are 60 minutes and they are non-heated. So you can expect the room to maintain the temperature of 80 degrees or less. And this is just a beautiful complement, and they're held in the evening. So it's a great way to have a class and then go tuck yourself in for bed for a really good night's sleep. We look forward to seeing you here at Island Power Yoga. Aloha.